Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Chrome users and multiple Chromes, how we run this with single one PC. So for this, we just simply go to the Chrome, here's the Chrome. And at the top, there is the icon with your username and with your Gmail, anything. So there's the icon at the top. You just simply click on this and at the bottom, there's the open guest profile. You need to click on this and here you can see. And other process is like that. If you don't want to add any guest profile, you want to add your own profile. So for this, you just go to click on there and add new profile. You need to add, click on this. And here I'm going to add a new profile, sign in or without sign in. Now I'm going to without sign in. And here you go. I have a new profile. I'm going to give this a name and new profile. And I'm also going to select the color like this and then click on the OK. And here you can see my another profile is created, and by following this step you can create a multiple profiles from this. So like this. So here you can see our new Chrome is created. So to get more informative videos like this, just simply follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.